Hello students, today we will discuss NTA NEET Abhyas Test 99 Chemistry Solution. Myself Navneet Jain, and we will start from question number 1. In a photoelectric effect experiment, the stopping potential Vs is plotted against the frequency nu of the incident light. The resulting curve is a straight line which makes an angle theta with the V-axis. Then the tan theta will be equal to, here E0 is the work function of the surface. We know very well that in photoelectric effect, E K kinetic energy of electron is equal to energy of incident radiation minus work function. E Vs, in which Vs is the stopping potential, h nu minus phi. Vs is equal to h nu upon E minus phi upon E. We applied y is equal to mx plus c, and we have to plotted the graph Vs and the frequency. So tan theta will be equal to h by E. So option A is correct. Tan theta is the slope. Question number 2. What is not applicable to TeCl4? TeCl4 is seesaw shape with sp3 dehybridization. The molecule is seesaw shape, correct. It is tetrahedral in shape, incorrect. It has 4 bond pair and 1 lone pair, correct. The hybridization state is sp3d. Question number 3. Which one of the following compound does not show tautomerism? Alpha hydrogen, the compound which does not contain alpha hydrogen. B. This does not contain alpha hydrogen, so this compound is unable to show tautomerism since alpha hydrogen is absent. Question number 4. 0.5 gram of fuming H2SO4 is diluted with water. This solution is completely neutralized by 26.7 ml of 0.4 normality of NaOH. The percentage of SO3 in the sample is. Fuming sulfuric acid is a mixture of H2SO4 and SO3. So we know very well that milli equivalents of H2SO4 plus milli equivalent of SO3 is equal to milli equivalent of NaOH. 0.5 gram of mixture of H2SO4 and SO3. So 0.5 minus x is divided by equivalent weight 49. The equivalent weight of H2SO4 is 49 into 1000 plus x upon 16 to the 32, 48 plus 32, 80 by 2. 80 by 2 into 1000 is equal to 26.7 into 0.4. Here x is equal to 0.103 on solving this expression. So percentage of SO3 is, total mixture is 0.5 and 0.103 gram is SO3 is multiplied by 100, which is equal to 20.6%. The option C is correct. We move to next question, question number 5th. Arrange the following metals in the increasing order of their density. We know very well that density of transition metal is greater than density of alkaline earth metal is greater than alkali metal. The least density is alkali metal, this is alkaline earth metal, and these two are transition metal. So A is correct. And between scandium and titanium, there are 3 unpaired electrons in titanium. So interatomic metallic bonding is strong in titanium, so density is high. We know very well that the density of transition metal is greater than the density of alkaline earth metal is greater than density of alkali metals. Question number 6. Which of the following has maximum angle strain? Propane, cyclopropane, normal-butane, cyclobutane. Cyclopropane. The bond angle is 60 degree and deviation from 109 to 60 degree, there are deviation of 49 degree angular deviation. So option B is correct. Question number 7. The root mean square velocity of helium gas becomes the same as that of methane molecule at 377 degrees Celsius when the temperature is. When we know very well that URMS of helium is equal to under root of 3 RT upon 4. 4 gram per mole. URMS of methane is equal to under root 3R into 327 means 600 Kelvin is divided by molecular mass is 16. Same, so we put under root 3 RT is divided by 4 is equal to under root of 3 RT 600 is divided by 16. So T by 4 is equal to 600 upon 16. So T is equal to 600 upon 4, which is equal to 150 Kelvin. So option C is correct. Now we move to question number 8. How many cyclic alcohol are possible with molecular formula C4H8O? DBE is equal to 1. C4H8O simplest is cyclobutanol. Second one is, third one is, and fourth one is 2-methyl cyclopropanol, 1-methyl cyclopropanol, and this compound is 1-cyclopropyl methanol and cyclobutanol. So answer is 4. Question number 9. Which of the following oxide is a strong oxidizing agent? PbO2 due to the inert pair effect. Pb in 4 plus oxidation state is a strong oxidizing agent and readily converted to Pb2 plus due to the inert pair effect. So option D is correct for question number 9. Question number 10. The compound AB has rock salt structure, NaCl type structure with A is to B is 1. The formula weight of AB is 6.023 Y AMU and the closest AB distance is Y 1 by 3 nanometer. The density of the lattice in kg per meter cube in is, okay, we know very well that the formula of density is D is equal to Z into M upon Na into A cube. This is Cl minus, this is Na plus, this is Cl minus, this is age length, and the distance is Y. A by 2 is Y 1 by 3, this is equal to A by 2. So A is equal to 2 times of Y raised to the power 1 by 3 in nanometer. Okay, Z is equal to 4, rock salt type structure. Molecular mass is 6.023 Y in grams, and to convert in kg 10 to the power minus 3 is divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, and A cube is equal to 2y into 10 to the power minus 9 whole cube. On solving this expression, we will get 5 kg per meter cube. So option C is correct. Question number 11. The formula of sulfurimic acid is, sulfurimic acid is NH2SO2 dot OH. So option C is correct. Question number 12. A haloalkane can be reduced to an alkane with the help of HI in presence of red phosphorus. A haloalkane can be reduced to an alkane with the help of reduction in the presence of red phosphorus HI. Of red phosphorus act as a red phosphorus is react with iodine and form Pi3, and Pi3 is unstable, so readily hydrolyze and regenerate HI. So the work is red phosphorus to regeneration of HI. Question number 13. What is the hybridization state and oxidation state of sulfur in Caro acid? Caro acid is H2SO5 peroxo monosulfuric acid, and hybridization state is 4 sigma bond sp3, and oxidation state is +6 sp3 and +6. So option C is correct for question number 13. Question number 14. At 550 Kelvin, the Kc for the following reaction is 10⁴ mole per liter, mole inverse liter. At equilibrium, it was observed what is the value of Z in mole per liter at equilibrium. Okay, Kc is equal to equilibrium concentration of Z, equilibrium concentration of X, and equilibrium concentration of Y. we have to calculate z. X is equal to half of z and y is equal to z, which is equal to 10 raised to the power 4 is equal to 2 upon z. So z is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Option E is correct for question number 14. Question number 15. The ratio of orbit of first excited state of electron to the area of orbit of the ground state level of for hydrogen atom. Okay. For first excited state, n is equal to 2. So A2 upon A1 is equal to pi R2 square upon pi R1 square. So n2 raised to the power 4, n1 raised to the power 4, 16 by 1. We know very well that R is directly proportional to n square. Radius formula, n square by z, 0.529 angstrom. So 16 is to 1. Option A is correct for question number 15. We will move to question number 16. Reagent used to convert propanol into propane, red phosphorus and HI, propanol into propane. Okay. The available option is I2 and T, no, T, tosyl chloride. Okay. Tosyl chloride, removal of HCl, OTS is a better leaving group, and hydride will attack from this. So H minus will attach on this carbon and propane will form. So option B is correct. Question number 17. Among the following ion, which one has the highest paramagnetism? N is equal to 3, 3d3. N is equal to 4, 3d6. N is equal to 1, 3d10, 4s1, 3d9. And this is 3d10, n is equal to 0. So maximum number of unpaired electron in B. Question number 18. CH3C triple bond CH is react with HOBr. Okay. OH minus and Br plus. So OH will attach on this carbon and Br will attach on this carbon. On tautomerization, tautomerism, this will move to this and this will move to this. CH3C double bond O, CH2Br. So option A is correct for question number 18. Question number 19. Which of the following is the correct plot of volume of a fixed amount of ideal gas? Number of moles is constant as a function of temperature. We know very well that V is directly proportional to T. So option V is directly proportional to T in Kelvin. So option C is correct. The EMF of the following three galvanic cells are represented by E1, E2, E3. Which of the following is true? We know very well that Nernst equation is 0.0591 upon N log of concentration of zinc 2 plus and Cu2 plus. In first case, E cell is equal to E naught 1 by 1 log 1 0. So E cell is equal to E naught of cell. In second case, 0.1 upon 1. So 0.1. So E cell is equal to 0.1 log 0.1 log 1 by 10 log 10. Log 10 is 1, 0.0591. In third case, E cell is equal to E naught minus 1 log 10 1, E naught minus 1. So option 4th is correct. E2, then E1, then E3. So option D is correct for question number 20. Question number 21. The bond having the highest bond energy is C double bond O. Reason behind this: more effective overlapping and sideways overlapping between atomic orbital of carbon and oxygen. It is higher due to smaller size of oxygen and higher electronegativity of oxygen. You have to learn it. Question number 22. An acid type indicator HLN differ in color from conjugate ways. The human eye is sensitive to color difference only when the ratio is greater than 10 or smaller than 0.1. What should be the minimum change in the pH to the solution to observe a complete color change? Okay, there are two conditions when color of the indicator will visible are derived by pH is equal to pKa plus log of base upon acid. First is pH is equal to 5 plus log of 10, which is equal to 6. Second one is pH is equal to 5 plus log 0.1, which is equal to 4. And the minimum change is 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Question number 23. Color of in transition metal compound is attributed to incomplete N-1 D subshell due to DD transition. Question number 24. The vapor pressure of pure liquid A is 70 torr at 27 degrees Celsius. Form an ideal solution with another liquid B. The mole fraction of B is 0.2 and total vapor pressure of the solution is 84 torr at 27 degrees Celsius. The vapor pressure of pure liquid B is. We know very well that P is equal to P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. Total pressure of solution is 84. Vapor pressure of pure A is 70. Mole fraction of B is 0.2. So mole fraction of A is 0.8. P naught B we have to calculate and XB is 0.2. Okay. 84 is equal to 56 plus 0.2 P naught B. P naught B is equal to 28 upon 0.2, which is equal to 140. 140. Okay. 140 torr. Answer is B. We'll move to next question. Question number 25. Cannizzaro reaction is given by. No. 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 All the reactant cannot go Cannizzaro reaction. Question number 25. Cannizzaro reaction is given by. I think so. This question is Cannizzaro reaction is not given by. I think so. C. This carb anion is highly unstable. I think so. Question language is wrong. Question is wrong. We know very well the compound that does not contain alpha hydrogen does not go Cannizzaro reaction. But question is that Cannizzaro reaction is given by. You can leave this type of question. Question number 26. In the complex potassium pentacyano nitrosyl vanadate, the oxidation state value is 0, -5, 0 and +5. So count of potassium is 5. Potassium atom per molecule 5 and the coordination number is 6. 5 and 6, so option C is correct. Question number 27. The total molarity and normality of all the ions present in the solution containing 0.1 molarity of copper sulfate, 0.1 molarity of aluminum sulfate. So there are three ions, Cu2 plus, aluminum 3 plus and SO4 2 minus. So moles and equivalents. Moles is 0.1, 0.2 and 0.4. So total molarity is 0.7 and equivalent is 0.2, 0.6 and 0.8. 1.6, 0.7 and 1.6 N. So option B is correct for question number 27. We will move to question number 28. Assign the IUPAC name of this compound. 1, 2, 3, 2-hydroxypropane 1,2,3 tricarboxylic acid. 2-hydroxypropane 1,2,3 tricarboxylic acid. Question number 29. When acetone and chloroform are mixed together, this is acetone and chloroform are mixed together, there is a formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, so vapor pressure decreases and show negative deviation from Raoult's law. So option B is correct due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Question number 30. In the given reaction, X will be conversion of carboxylic acid into ester. RCOOH is react with diazomethane. RCOO minus plus CH3N2. This O will attack on this carbon and N2 will remove and ester is formed. RCOCH3 plus N2. So diazomethane is correct. Alcohol will also correct. RCOH carboxylic acid and alcohol will react to form in acidic medium ester. So both are correct, CH2N2 and CH3OH. Question number 31. Linear polyenes on ozonolysis give 2 moles of acetaldehyde and 1 moles of propanediol. Linear polyene will be, okay, 2 moles of acetaldehyde. Okay, this give 2 moles of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of propane dienal. ठीक है ना, 1, 2, 3 and 2 moles of acetaldehyde. So alkadiene is the correct answer. Question number 32. Cyanide on hydrolysis give amide and amide on hydrolysis give carboxylic acid. CH3Cn. In first step, these two bonds are break and formation of amide, and amide on hydrolysis with heating gives carboxylic acid. We'll move to question number 33. The movement of solid particle under an applied electric field is called electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is a method which is used to find out the charge on colloidal particles. Question number 34. K for HCN is this. For maintaining a constant pH is 9. The volume of 5 molarity KCN solution required to be added to 10 ml of 2 molarity HCN solution is. We use Henderson equation. pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. So pH is equal to negative log of 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 plus log of 5V upon V plus 10 into 2 upon V plus 10. On solving this expression, we will get log V by 4 plus negative log 5 into 10 to the power minus 10. V is equal to 2 ml. So option C is correct. We move to question number 35. Sodamides react with propine and form sodium propionide, and this will react on formaldehyde, formation of alcohol. Option B is correct. Question number 36. When a lead storage battery is discharged, then H2SO4 is consumed. Sulfuric acid is consumed. On charging, sulfuric acid is formed. Question number 37. Hydrate of certain non-metallic element acts on amphoteric in nature. Okay, it also reacts with sodium hydrate as well as metallic sodium to liberate hydrogen gas. Sodium is react with H2O. H2 is a amphoteric oxide, react with both acid and base. So the element X can be oxygen, and hydrate of oxygen is water. So question number 37, option C is correct. Question number 38. Acetaldehyde is react with hydroxylamine. Okay, H2 will remove, CH3 CH double bond NOH. P2O5 is a dehydrating agent. When this molecule is react with P2O5 minus of H2O, since P2O5 is a dehydrating agent, nitrile will form. So option C is correct. Question number 39. At 300 Kelvin, half-life of a gaseous reactor initially 58 kilopascal is 320 minutes. When the pressure is 29 kilopascal, the half-life is 160 minutes. The order of the reaction is, okay, we know very well that T half, A is the initial concentration, N is the order of the reaction. Okay, so 160 upon 320 is equal to 58 upon 29 n minus 1. So n is equal to 0. Question number 40. If an endothermic reaction is non-spontaneous at freezing of water and becomes feasible at its boiling point, then, okay, delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. In first case, delta G is equal to positive. Okay, at T is equal to 273 Kelvin, and delta H is also positive, but delta G is negative at T is equal to 373 Kelvin. Okay, and delta H is also positive. So only possible condition is delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S, and this magnitude is positive and this is negative. This is only possible when entropy change is positive. Entropy change is positive and magnitude wise T delta S is greater than delta H. So delta H and delta S both are positive. So option B is correct for question number 40. Question number 41. Which one of the following is non-benzoate? Benzoate compound, benzoate compound, benzoate compound, and this is non-benzoate compound. Okay. Question number 42. The free energy change, enthalpy change, standard free Gibbs free energy change. S is the 2. S okay, free energy change, this is NFE not NFE not. So P is equal to 2 NFE P2. Okay, P2. Q is standard entropy changes Gibbs free energy with variation with change in Gibbs free energy with respect to temperature at constant pressure, and enthalpy change of a reaction in standard state is given by this expression, and standard Gibbs free energy is equal to delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. So for question number 42, option B is correct. Question number 43. Which among the following compound will form intramolecular hydrogen bond? Okay. 2,3 pentane dione. No, 2,4. This is misprint. Intramolecular hydrogen bond in enol form. This is the enol form, and this is intramolecular hydrogen bonding in enolic form, tautomerize. So option C is correct. Question number 44. Which of the conformer of normal butane has maximum potential energy? Fully eclipsed. Fully eclipsed conformation contains both toroidal strain and van der Waals strain, is maximum in fully eclipsed form. Question number 45. Pick out the incorrect statement about ATP. It is a nucleotide. Correct. It contains purine, adenine. Correct. The enzyme catalyzes ADP to ATP, and AMP is accompanied by absorption of energy. No. The conversion of ATP to adenosine diphosphate to adenosine monophosphate, and in this process energy is released. So C is incorrect. Thank you very much. I think so in this paper 140 to 150 is a good score in this paper. Many type of question are out of syllabus from NEET, so it is not necessary to attempt these type of Abhyas test of NEET. At this point, I am advising you to revise your lecture notes so that you can increase your marks. Thank you very much.